Hey guys, how you doing? It's Byron Vick with Big Time Roofing. What is an insurance supplement? Today I'm going to let you guys know exactly what an insurance supplement is, why they're extremely necessary in the insurance restoration side of roofing, and how they help you as a homeowner. So to start off, when you go through the insurance process claiming a roof on your home, you have damage from a storm that's come through recently, and as a result, you file a claim. Your insurance company sends an adjuster out, and they write an estimate. A lot of times though, they're super busy. They have a lot of claims going. They can accidentally leave something off, or they can leave something off because they don't think that it's necessary to install the roof at the time. But for roofers, we have to install the roof per the local codes. And a lot of times, adjusters are not from the area. They might not be super familiar with the codes. And so as a result, they accidentally leave things out. And so this is where insurance supplements come in. When we go in, we do the assessment on the damage of the roof. We let the homeowner know we think there's enough damage. They file a claim. The adjuster comes out. They write the estimate. Okay, well now we have to install the roof. And so we get the estimate from the insurance company that says, you can tear off, you can put back exactly the same shingles, 15-pound felt or 30-pound felt, ice and water shield, blah, 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 on down the line. But sometimes they will forget to include things like ice and water shield in the valleys, or drip edge, or chimney flashing, any number of things. And so as a result, we still have to install that to make sure that the roof is warrantable and it's up to code. So we have to be able to recoup that cost, because it still cost us money to install the correct system, but in the initial estimate, it wasn't included. And so that's what an insurance supplement is for. We basically install it, we document it through pictures, we pull the correct codes, we make sure that everything was done correctly, and then we send it to the insurance company and explain to them why we need to be paid for this, because we incurred this cost. Insurance supplements help the homeowner to make sure that they get all that they're supposed to get on a roofing system, and they also help the roofing contractor, because you don't want to be installing things that you're not getting compensated for. If you do that too many times, you're going to wind up not being in business, not being able to serve your customers the way that you want to. So at the end of the day, insurance supplements are basically things that are added on to the end that you bill for because you incurred the cost during construction.